What's up, beautiful people? Today, we are going to take a look at two worlds that collide, which are polar opposites: luxury real estate and action adventure sports. Here in Colorado, you can experience luxury living next to the beautiful and rugged terrain that Colorado has to offer. My name is Noah, and welcome to the American Dream. Today, we're going on a Colorado adventure, but you guys need to stay tuned to tour this luxury listing on a 55-acre private lake. But first, let's go have some fun. Before moving to Colorado, I had not touched a mountain bike in about a decade. And since relocating here to this beautiful, rugged landscape, look what I'm sitting on. And thank goodness that there are some intermediate and beginner trails behind me. But this is one of the things that you get to experience right here in Colorado, even if you don't think that you're into it right now. Trust me, when you get to Colorado, it changes you and you become part of what Colorado culture is all about, which is action, adventure, and taking in this rugged, beautiful landscape. Now let's switch gears and go check out this 7,000 square foot luxury property on a 55-acre private wakeboard and ski lake. Welcome to 5763 Pelican Shore Drive, Longmont, Colorado's newest luxury listing, offered at $4.2 million. And of course, sitting on a 55-acre private lake. Now, this home was built by Copper Leaf Custom Builders in 2015. And they did an absolutely amazing job. Are you kidding me? Look at these views from every single room in the home. Not only do you have mountain views, which is something special here in Colorado, but you also have these beautiful views of the lake and the terrain. I think that my cooking would taste so much better cooked in this chef's kitchen with those mountain and lake views. And this is just the lap of luxury right here. And it compares in contrast to the rugged nature and beauty of Colorado. One of my other favorite things about this beautiful house is this helix staircase that winds its way all the way from the top floor all the way to the walkout basement. And as we come down to the full walkout basement of this home, you're gonna notice a couple of key things that of course you're gonna have in a luxury home, like a full home theater. You've got a full kitchen to your walkout deck with boat lift. You're gonna be looking at having, hey, what do we have? We have a wine cellar here. Why? Because I guess if you like wine, you need a full entire cellar, just not a wine rack. And what luxury home would not be complete without your own safe room, locked and secured by a massive safe door? I hope you guys have had as much fun as I have going on this beautiful Colorado adventure and previewing this amazing brand new luxury listing right here in Longmont. I'm gonna continue my adventure. You guys have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next episode of The American Dream.